Mga igsoon, are you at peace? Maybe some of you would say, unsaon pag peace pader nga gaaway mi sa akong uyab. Peace gud taon pader nga nagkagrabe maning akong balatian. Unsay peace pader nga katapusan man karon naa pud to si Judith. Si Judith ba? Judith sa tubig, Judith sa kurente, Judith sa tuition sa akong mga anak. Are you at peace? My dear brothers and sisters, in our spiritual lives, our gospel today speaks to us words from our Lord that enables us to understand peace, not just as the absence of problems, but rather the enduring presence of God within us. Tungod kay si Jesus niingon sa atong ebanghelyo, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give it to you. Do not let your hearts be troubled or afraid." Ang kalinaw di ay dili mao nga hawa ta sa mga kahingawa, kagubot. Hinunua ang kalinaw mao ang estado sa kasing-kasing ug kalag sa tao nga nahiuyon siya sa kabubuton sa Dios. And that is the fruit of the passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus. That the relationship that has been sundered between God and the human family has been restored because Jesus paid the price for us and He bestows on us His peace. Mao nga nangayo ta sa Ginoo, may we truly relish the peace only the Lord can give, so that despite our ordeals and preoccupations daily, inikagabi bitaw makatugtang naghayang kay nasayod ta that we do not rely on a power or we do not rely on ourselves, but we rely on a power greater than ourselves. We rely on God, through whose presence we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us.